How to add headers and footers to a Microsoft Word document. The purpose of a header and a footer is basically, so if you have a research paper and you have to write 5 pages, then what's going to happen is on the top you can put your name, you can put research paper, and that will automatically show on page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, and page 5. So you won't have to retype it all over again. The best way is just to show you. In order to add a header and a footer, you come up here to the ribbon. And if you don't see your ribbon when you first open up your computer, sometimes this happens and sometimes it looks like this. Just click this little arrow here and then come down here and click it and it'll get big. Go ahead and go to Insert tab, left click, come to Header. Everyone in this class is going to choose the same header, and it's called Tile. So we're going to scroll all the way down until we reach Tile, and there are tiles. So we're just going to click it. Up here, you're just going to write down the name of the country you're using for your report. So if it's the 8th grade, you guys are doing El Salvador, so you would type El Salvador. Okay. Over here, I would just put 2014. Okay. If it's the 7th grade, then yours is the Dominican Republic, so you would type Dominican Republic. And you can do all caps or lowercase. 6th grade, yours is, actually the 6th grade is Dominican Republic, I'm sorry. And the 7th grade is Brazil, so you would type Brazil. Okay. At this point, we would be done with the header. You have to click this to get rid of it. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to click Close Header and Footer. Because if you don't click this, you can't do anything else in this document. I'm going to click it. Okay. It kind of fades out, but it won't look like this when you print it. Now we want to add a footer to the bottom. We're going to choose the same kind of footer called Tile. Please don't use any other one. If you use another type, then I'm taking points off. Double click. Down here, you're just going to write your name. So I'm going to write Miss Hill. Then over here, I want you to write your grade. So I'll write 7th. Backspace it. 7th grade. Okay, so you would just write your grade right here. So that's a header and a footer. And this will show up on every page of the report. You won't have to type. Once you get to page 2, this will automatically be here. Remember, you must close header and a footer to type, because you cannot type after that. It won't let you. So you must click the X. And then you can come over here and you would just type number 1. And you would go ahead and write down the answers to your report questions, your research questions. So for number 1, it would be, I don't have the paper with me, but I believe it asks, what's the location of your country? So I write the location of whatever your country is. I'm going to put a line here. Is, or you can write Brazil is located in South America. Okay? But make sure you're writing in a complete sentence. And that is how you add headers and footers.